Hello guys, welcome back to Go's Tech. Again, I'm going to show you how best we can download our projects or our questionnaires, the data that is already collected to Excel for easy analysis. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do, just come to our COBOL. Come to our COBOL. And basically, this is what we have. This is what we have. So you can see these are some of questionnaires we are having at the moment. We have, and basically I wanted to download this one, our checklist. So what we are going to do, we're going to come to just click on the form, and once you click on the form, just give it a time to load. Hope you can see summary, you can see form, you can see data, you can see settings. So what we are going to do here, we're just going to come to our data, and once we reach on the data, we are going to come, this is the data we are seeing here. So we are going to come to downloads. So once you reach on the downloads, you're going to see that this tool, Excel as September 22nd, 23rd, that's when it was downloaded. So we're going to download it again. You have different formats. You can download these questions. You can either download as a zip, legacy, XLS, KML, any format you want, it can work. Then once you come to labels, you can say maybe include the XML values and headers. Then you can export. So once I click on export, it will just take a few minutes. And once you come here, you'll see Excel's today at 3:18 p.m., which is our time here. And then XML values and headers. You can say includes groups, no, multiple versions, yes. So you just come and say download. So here we click on download, and once you click download, it will automatically bring you to this part. You can name it anything you want. Let me say maybe my form. My form. So once I click on my form, you can give it any folder you want to. Maybe you want to save it from. But me now I want it on my desktop. Once I click on my desktop, I click on save, and then once it's done downloading, you can open it. And once I open it, you'll be able to see it here. It has all the data that someone filled in. So this is the start, the end, the username, what. So the question starts from here. Name of educator, district, what. Once you continue with this, you'll be able to see where question ends from. So basically, guys, that is how best we can export. We can export our data for analysis into Excel, from COBOL directly to Excel. However, sorry. Yeah, this is the tool, how it looks like. So I haven't yet shared it. This is the tool, how it looks like. After downloading it, this is basically how it looks like. They'll bring all the questions from the start up to the end. However, there's still something I wanted to show you. Again, something I want to show you, something small. Okay, so once I come here, and then this is the question. And then maybe I want to download this form. So I click on the form. Hope you can see the way it is. So we have, when I come to form, we have the download. We have download as XLS. It is totally different from downloading data. When you're downloading data, you're downloading everything that's included in the data. And once you come to the form, you come to download, you come here on these three dotted lines to download XLMS. It will only download the form, like only the form. There's no data that is included. But once you want to download the data, you have to make sure that you come to data. That's when you'll be able to download the data collected for analysis. Hope you can understand this all. So thank you so much. I think you've seen the difference between downloading the tool or downloading the project and downloading data. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. A big stop here. Remember to subscribe to Go Your Stage. Remember to share our videos. Remember to like. Remember to comment in case you have not understood anything. For now, I'm stopping here. Thank you so much.